TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, Friday morning. 30 minutes to go until that opening bell, and we got markets in green territory across the board right now. S&P is positive by about 8 points at 34.93. You have the futures trading up to 35.09 overnight. Quite the price acceleration. NASDAQ 100 futures up 20 points right now, 11,972. You got the Dow up 120 points, trading 28,586. Russell Green as well, positive by 7 at 15.73. Got the dollar index pulling back this morning. Commodities trading higher. Gold up about $31 at $19.63. Silver up 52 cents at $27.72. Oil up 8 pennies at $43.11. Hurricane Laura not really impacting some of the oil operations in the Gulf as much as feared, pulling back from the spike high we saw on Wednesday at 43.78. Notes and bonds this morning, a little bit of higher price and lower yield. The 10-year up 6 ticks at 139.01. The 30-year up 3 ticks at 174.28. And we'll start things off with the VIX this morning. Talked about it on my program. Quite the acceleration we got on the VIX yesterday, jumping from 24 to 27 in a heartbeat as the market had accelerated higher. We're currently sitting at 25.13 in the VIX. And it's remarkable action, folks, when you're sitting at 25.13 in the VIX. And meanwhile, this market just shows no sign of slowing down. I mean, you put this S&P, I talked about it on the program. If you weren't listening to the program at 8:30, all right, check out this S&P, folks. All right, when you look at it going back to these lows, even when you go back to whether it was July 28th, okay, the whole month of August, folks, we're dealing with 3 S&P red bars. And you have the VIX sitting at 25. It doesn't get much rosier, as we're looking at one of the best Augusts since 1986. You got the S&P up about 6.6% coming into the action today, and that VIX got a little bit dicey yesterday, to say the least. What else we got coming out at 8:30? Personal income for the month of July rising 0.4%. The market was looking for a 0.2% drop, so good numbers there in terms of personal income. We'll see what happens for the markets today, but we're going to start things off in green territory, it looks like. We'll see what happens in the next 30 minutes, folks. Stay tuned. We've got our man Larry Pesavento coming up live with Trade What You See. I'll be back at 10 o'clock with Tom. Live programming all day at TFNN. Stay tuned, folks. Larry Pesavento, he's coming up live next. We'll be right back.